Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be building a PC. I have all the parts that just came in yesterday and Thursday, so I think I have all the parts. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. I probably am, so we'll see. But my cousin is gonna go help me build this PC, and hopefully this works. And if I'm missing anything, that's gonna suck and I'm gonna have to wait. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. He's gonna be coming in around 15 and 20 minutes, so I'm gonna set up everything, and yeah. So I think I have all the parts. I'm just gonna take this out of the box. I do have this motherboard, and then I have the RAM. Then I have, of course, the power supply. And I have the CPU. I have the Ryzen 5600GX. And then I have the EVGA RTX 2060. And then I have the SSD 500 gigabytes. I am gonna get like a hard drive, like the big thick ones, you know, nickies. But yeah, I need to get that too later on. But I just kind of spent $800, 900, almost a grand actually. I'm gonna go grab the case, and yeah. Everything doesn't fit, like it's like the wrong size and everything. I'm literally gonna cry and throw my camera and literally rip everything to pieces. So I have the Zalman S3TG, I think it's called. It's a ATX mid-tower computer case. So I have that and everything else you saw right here. But yeah, we're gonna get started soon. Okay, so my cousin is gonna be coming down soon, and I got all the stuff here, I think. And he's gonna be helping me, and he also does have a YouTube channel of his own, and he also streams Twitch, so if you guys want to go check it out, I will leave the link in the description down below, and hopefully you guys enjoy, because it's my first time, and I might mess it up. But hopefully we don't mess it up, because I will literally suck, because then I'm gonna cry, like I said again. Anyway, I'm so excited, so... that was weird. Did I open it?
No.
I don't want to break it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Oh, good. think I heard it like I just like I felt it plop.
Perfect.
Hey, let's go.
Nice. Okay.
My hand was definitely in the way of the camera. It's fine. Better work. Michael.
Oh, bro.
Nah. Oh, it's working.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
That's one we need to put in there.
Okay. Okay. Alright, so I am literally just installing all the drivers and stuff. So I finally got it to work. We were literally, oh my god, it was just awful. It's been 8 hours, 8.5, almost 9 hours. Let's get this stupid thing running, but it's working.